Hey there. Let's get you up and running with Jeeva AI in just a few quick steps. First, signing up is straightforward. Head over to Jeeva's website, click on Login at the top, then scroll down to find Sign Up, enter your details, hit Submit, and you'll land on your dashboard. The first thing you'll see is a prompt to connect your email. Go ahead and do that now. Once it's connected, Jeeva can help you sort your inbox, draft emails for you, prep for upcoming meetings, and manage your calendar. If you're working with teammates, you can invite them to join so you can all collaborate in the same space and earn 200 credits. Next, let's handle your DNC list. That's your Do Not Contact list. Open the Unibox menu, go into Settings, and then DNC list. Here you can add any email addresses or domains you want Jeeva to avoid when reaching out. While you're still in Settings, it's a good time to connect your calendar. That way, scheduling and rescheduling meetings happens automatically without you having to juggle multiple tools. Now, on to AI Inbound. Open that section and enter your website address. Make sure it starts with www. Add your job title and department. Make sure you add in this snippet in the header of your website page. You can refer to this tutorial, and from here, you'll be able to see and track visitors to your site. Next is your chatbot. Enter your company details, and for the website field, this time it should start with HTTP. You need to add the snippet in the header of your website page, similar to how you did it for AI Inbound. Upload any useful company info, set the chatbot's main goal, like booking meetings, and add some FAQs so it can answer common questions. You can test it right away by clicking Start Conversation. You'll also have an option to customize the chatbot's avatar in the chatbot settings. Last step is to connect LinkedIn. Just head over to the AI LinkedIn in the navigation bar, type in your name, feed in your LinkedIn credentials, and link your email to this particular LinkedIn account. And that's it. Your Jeeva AI account is now fully set up and you're ready to use all the features, email organization, meeting scheduling, visitor tracking, and an active chatbot.